This instructional video explains how to migrate a Scanmate version 4 database using SQL Server Management Studio. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. The Scanmate 4.2.3 software utilizes two components, the scanning software and database software. This video describes how to safely copy SQL Server database records to a new host computer. To perform data migration between standalone workstations, you will need to have local administrator access. Likewise, to perform data migration between workstations on a domain, you will need to have domain administrator access. Before beginning data migration, both the origin and destination systems must have SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio installed. Other videos in this series describe installation and setup of SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Refer to those videos for instructions on installation and configuration. Detaching the database files before copying is necessary to avoid database corruption. Database record files are detached using SQL Server Management Studio. Detaching must be performed on both the origin system and destination system. This is performed the same way on both systems. Hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type ssms.exe and click OK. SQL Server Management Studio will open. The DGH server name should be automatically entered. However, if the DGH server name is not displayed, click the down arrow icon and select Browse for More. A Browse for Servers window will open. Click on the Network Servers tab. Click on the Database Engine icon to expand the list of servers. Note that multiple servers may be displayed. The correct DGH server must be selected. Ensure that Windows Authentication is selected, then click the Connect button. The Object Explorer will become populated. Click on Items to expand the tree. Navigate to Databases. Right-click on the DGH Scanmate entry and select Tasks, then select Detach. A window will open. Mark the checkbox in the Drop Connections column. After the database has been detached, the Object Explorer will be updated. DGH Scanmate will no longer be listed under Databases. After the database files have been detached from the database program, file copying can be safely performed. The copy process can be performed by copying the files to a USB drive and manually moving them to the destination system, or by copying them to the destination system over a network. The database files are stored in the DGH Scanmate folder located on the C drive in Program Files, DGH Technology Inc. Data. The database folder will contain three items as shown here. Copy the DGH Scanmate folder from the origin system and overwrite the folder on the destination system. Note that overwriting the database folder on the destination system will permanently delete any records on the destination system. After the database record files have been copied to the destination system, they must be attached to the SQL Server software using SQL Server Management Studio. Attaching database files is only required on the destination system. However, reconnecting the database files may also be performed on the origin system if desired. On the destination system, log into SQL Server Management Studio as previously described in this video. The Object Explorer will become populated. Click on Items to expand the tree. Right-click on Databases and select Attach. A window will open. Select the Add button. Navigation window will open. Use the left-hand panel to navigate to the folder C drive, Program Files, DGH Technology Inc. Data, DGH Scanmate. Once you have navigated to the correct folder, the file dghscanmate.mdf will be displayed in the right-hand panel. Select the dghscanmate.mdf file and click the OK button. The window will be updated to show the database information. Select OK to attach the database. Once the database has been attached, the DGH Scanmate item will appear under Databases in the Object Explorer. Close SQL Server Management Studio. After the files have been attached to the destination database software, any instances of Scanmate software will require configuration. The Attempt to start the Scanmate software. A login error will be displayed. Select the Run Configuration button. If prompted, select Yes to allow the configuration program to make changes to the PC. The configuration program will open. Select the Start button. Verify that the button next to SQL Server is marked, then click the Browse button. The software will search the network for Scanmate databases. This may take several minutes. Note that it is necessary to perform the browse and review the database options. Verify that the destination system is selected before continuing. Then select the Connect button. Messages will be displayed once the database connection is established. Select the Next button. The configuration program will identify that a database is present on the destination system. Select the Next button. The previously created username and password should be displayed. These credentials may be used as is, or a new username, password, and password hint can be created. Select the Next button. A summary window will display the assigned username, password, and hint. Select Next to proceed, or, if changes are necessary, select Back. The configuration is complete. Select the Close button to exit the configuration program. The Scanmate software will return to the error message. Close the Login and Software windows by clicking the X button, then restart the software. Scanmate software will start normally. Patient records from the destination database will be shown in the patient list.